All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Dodge Dart. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful red with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. It's got 36,000 miles. Best of all, minimum damage around the body of your front bumper. Looks good. Your front hood has some heavy scratching here by 3 to 4 inches. All right, some scuffing next to it. This fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim, front driver's rim up, sorry. Your tire thread here is 5/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curving 3, 6, I'll say 10 or more just to engulf that little area right there. And your tire thread is 5/32. Let me double check. That's right. Here's your nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does have 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. And your mileage, if I can pull it up. Boom, off 36,481. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good, keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Little button under here. All right. Is your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, the holes, the tears, and rips. Has an armrest and cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks good. Rear deck lid. Looks good. Trunk space, and what that looks like. Got a spare tire here with some tools, and I told away your owner's manuals there. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is under 4/32. Let me double check. Under 4/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side, the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing here, 10 or more, just to engulf it. The entire thread is 5/32. Lights are working. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Dodge Dart SXT model with 36,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.